In today's episode, let's review Golok's Nag Champa incense. Namaste everyone.
Namaste everyone.
And welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing.
Yay.
And today again we have Shivosmi here with us.
Hi.
Okay, so before we start the episode, I'd just like to remind you of this Meri Pratham Sanskrit Pustika. It's a Sanskrit alphabet book for kids and the link is in the description box below. So before we go ahead, just in case you're new to the channel, I'd just like you to know that in these kind of episodes, we first check out the packaging of the incense, then we check out the fragrance of it, then we share some tidbit about the incense world, and then we share a quiz. So you might want to stick around till the end. So this is an episode that I had been wanting to do for long, but I was caught up with some of the other, episodes. So this just kept going on, in the background. So I finally have found the time to do this. So what if you remember, I told you about this Golok flower, Vrindavan flower that I'd wanted to do, and there is Golok Nag Champa. Well, for the Nag Champa, I don't exactly know what the Sai Nag Champa is like, but this one is amazing, and it's really amazing. But I was really disappointed with this Golok Vrindavan flower. So before we go ahead, I'd just like you to know that I do not want to review this one, even though I told you that I'll be reviewing this. But there's hardly anything to review in this. I mean, I did not like the fragrance of it. And the one thing that really disappointed was almost 70 to 80% of the incense, extinguished midway through. So it did not burn through. So I don't know, I didn't really like this. I'd got both of these from ISKCON temple. So I'd got I'd got one of these random messages saying that we have organic products at ISKCON and you might want to try our stuff, and I'd wanted to try some of their incenses, and so I got this. They sent this to me all the way from Bangalore. So it says Golok Vrindavan flower, hidden treasures of the incense world. So it's like that, and that's all. For some of you, if you might just want to try this, this was for 100 rupees, and it says 100 grams of incense, so 100 grams for 100 rupees, and I really didn't like it, so that's there. But just to let you know that it had that very green kind of fragrance, so every time I smelled this, I was reminded of pan. If you ever smelled pan leaf, so I was reminded of that.
I think that it is very tasty.
Because it smells like pan.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go ahead with this Golok Nag Champa. So if you see, it comes like that. The packaging is all yellow, and it has very nice, throughout the packet they have this yellow background, which is very like, this yellow is, it's that very typical, if you've seen those the Chandan Tika, the yellow of that Chandan Tika, it's that yellow. If you see, it's that beautiful yellow, which I find this very beautiful. So this is there, and they have written Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So this is the mantra that is written throughout the package. It's entirely like that. If you see, so this is what they have.
I think this is the meaning of the fragrance.
And it's written, the mantra is written all in Devanagari throughout the pack. So if you see, it's like that. And it says Golok Nag Champa, and then we also have, I think probably they've tried to show Vishnupad. That's there. And some kind of mandala art. So mandala art, if all of us know it as something as, related to Buddhists, but actually mandala art is an offshoot of yantra drawing, which is a very, very ancient Hindu practice. So I'd just like you to know that.
I think this is also made in Bihar.
Okay, so Golok Nag Champa is the registered name. So you see an R in the circle near Golok. So it's like that. See that? It's quite prominent. And one side we have it written in Hindi. So it's like that. And we have the address of it. And some of the logos which says no child labor, charity, keep city clean, recyclable and 100% veg. It says hand rolled in India. Product and packing environmentally safe and free from animal byproducts. And this also is 100 grams and this is for 160 rupees. So this is what they've shown here. You can see that. That's there. And one side we have what it says is these incense sticks are specially hand rolled and contain the finest natural ingredients like herbs, aromatic roots, spices and natural oils. And that I can, you know, really vouch for it. The incense is amazing. It's amazing. So so this is what's there. The packaging is quite minimalistic, and I love the mantra that they have inscribed. So, and the, you know, opening is like they have written Nag Champa in black. It's like that. It's like that. And the best part of both the incenses is that they had a plastic you know, covering on top, above the, you know, on top of the packaging, the main packaging, because of which I think what happens is when they sent me the incense, and even though both the incenses were there together, the incense fragrances had not blended. I know the incense fragrance did not get blended. Like when I get you know, incenses from Cycle brand, most of the time the incense fragrances overlap each other, and you know, it's hardly difficult, it's very difficult to make out which fragrance belongs to which incense. So that's there. And inside they have this plain butter paper. Oh no, inside they have this branded butter paper, and it says Golok Seva, and so it says golokincense.org and Golok Seva Trust. So you see like that. That's what they have. And it's a masala stick. So look now. It's a masala stick. So we see a lot of masala on this. First we see this. The bamboo is nice and smooth and rounded and very sturdy, and it's yellowish in tinge, you know, if you see that. The incense is brown in color. It's the normal sized incense, and it has a lot of masala on it. It's a lot of masala. In fact, this packet, you know, if you just open it like that, the masala comes out. So it's like that. It's full of masala, if you see that. And the fragrance is amazing. I really liked it. After a long time, I've actually liked an incense. And you know, even if you smell the cold incense, you get that floral fragrance, that nice floral fragrance, but it has a tinge of herbaceousness to it. You know, it's a little bit of an herby fragrance as well. You can smell some kind of resin also in this, but those are all undertones. The major thing that you can smell here is the overall feel of it is very floral. So that's what we have. The fragrance is really good.
Yes.
It's a very divine fragrance, you know, the moment you light it up, and it comes to life very soon, and but it's not in your face. And you know, the intensity wise, it's mild, and it, you know, you can smell it from the very first time it comes to life, but it sort of grows on you, you know, so you really like it, you know, when it's there.
It's like a flower smell.
So when it's you know, so when the incense is burning and you're doing your prayer or something, it gives a very nice feeling. So since I do not light up these bamboo incense sticks inside my house, I put 2 of them in my balcony and 2 of them on my main door. So that's how I use this. But it gives a very good feel, you know. Sometimes once in a while when I want my room to smell good, I do this, and it makes it feel very, very spiritual. The energy of it really, you know, it gives a perk to the energy. So that's what's there. So, you know, that's what we have. I really like you guys to go to, I don't know if it's ISKCON, you know, if you stay somewhere and if you have an ISKCON temple, probably you'll get it there. Otherwise you can get it online. I'm sure ISKCON will have something online. And I'll share with you the number that I had, you know, used, the message that I'd got from this number. I'll be sharing that number with you, and you can get in touch with them and you can get this incense. So this is 160 rupees for 100 grams, and 100 grams is quite decent, you know. It'll last you a month or so, because I've been using quite a lot of it, and I just saved it because, you know, I said probably it might just get over before I do the review, so I just saved this. So it's that floral smell which gives you a very divine feeling, and you know, if you, especially during these Durga Puja kind of pujas, which, you know, which is a special puja, you know, because it's this 10 days of long festivity and celebration, and you know, people who are in sadhana will do their sadhanas, and you know, it's that spiritual upliftment kind of energy that is there in the air all around. That's the reason we do fast, and that's the reason we do that Akhand Jyot and all those things. So this is just the thing you need for Durga Puja, and probably I think the timing of it is very good. So the Durga Puja is going on, and you might just want to light this up and make your Durga Puja a very happy Durga Puja to everyone.
Happy Durga Puja!
Okay, so that is what I would, you know, my recommendation is that yes, you can go for this. So I like this incense a lot, and you definitely can go for this. So that's there. Now that was Golok Nagchampa incense. Now the tidbit for today is that you know, as per Vishnu Dharmottar Puran, there are 5 ways of getting dhoop. So one is Niryas. Niryas is the exudation. So you know, the direct dhoop that we get, the incense resins that we have. Then we have Parag, which is pollen. We have Kasht, which is stick. We have Gandh, which is the concentrated aroma of it. Then we have Kritrim, which is artificial, that is mixture of many items. So these are the 5 ways we can have the fragrance. So that's what they say. They say the dhoop, it says that dhoop appeases the gods and has medicinal benefits too. Even the whole living creature is pleased with this. There are 5 ways of getting aromas for dhoops. They are Niryas, exudation, Parag, pollen, Kasht, stick, Gandh, concentrated aroma, and Kritrim, that is artificial, that is mixture of many items. So that is what we have written in Vishnu Dharmottar Puran about the dhoop. Now the incense quiz that we had asked you, you know, in the last episode is, what is Santalum album? So Santalum album is the Latin name for sandalwood. So that is Santalum album. So Santalum album is the Indian sandalwood. So the Latin name for the Indian sandalwood is Santalum album. Now this week's quiz is, where do we find the Indian sandalwood besides India? There is a place that has recently started, I mean recent as in around a decade or so, or probably you know, 2 decades or so. They started a sustainable sustainable production of sandalwood trees. So where is that place? Where besides India do we have sandalwood, the Indian sandalwood growing? So that is the question for today. So if you think somebody can learn something from this, share it with them. If you like it, give it a like. If you have any queries or concerns, just drop it in the comment section below. And that's all for the episode today. Till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.
Namaste.